My favorite mindfulness exercises for stress relief. Introduction. Why mindfulness is effective for stress relief. Stress has become a nearly constant companion in today's fast-paced world. With demands from work, family, and life piling up, finding effective ways to relax and relieve stress is essential. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that enables us to remain present and connected to ourselves, reducing stress by grounding us in the moment. In this video, I'll share my favorite mindfulness exercises that can bring immediate calm and sustained peace, helping you lead a stress-free life. Understanding the link between stress and mindfulness. To truly appreciate how mindfulness can help with stress, it's important to understand what stress does to the body. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol and adrenaline, hormones that increase heart rate, blood pressure, and muscle tension. Mindfulness practices help counteract these effects by encouraging relaxation, slowing the heart rate, and grounding us in the present. This mind-body approach has been shown in numerous studies to reduce cortisol levels and promote mental clarity, making it a scientifically backed method for managing stress. 1. Deep breathing for instant calm. One of the simplest yet most powerful mindfulness exercises is deep breathing. By focusing on our breath, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which naturally brings down the body's stress response. Here's a quick guide. 1. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. 2. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. 3. Hold your breath for 4 counts. 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 to 8 counts. 5. Repeat this process for a few minutes, focusing on each breath. Deep breathing can be done anywhere, anytime, and is especially effective in the middle of a hectic day or before a stressful event. 2. Body scan meditation to release tension. Body scan meditation is a technique that brings awareness to each part of the body, identifying and releasing tension. This exercise is perfect for bedtime or winding down after a long day. 1. Lie down in a comfortable position. 2. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. 3. Start by focusing on your toes, noticing any sensations or tension. 4. Gradually move up, focusing on each part of the body: feet, legs, stomach, chest, shoulders, arms, and head. 5. Spend a few seconds on each area, letting go of any tension you feel. By the end of this exercise, you'll feel relaxed and grounded, making it easier to fall asleep and let go of the day's worries. 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Technique for grounding. The 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 technique is a grounding exercise that uses your senses to bring you back to the present moment. It's especially helpful when stress feels overwhelming. 1. Identify 5 things you can see around you. 2. Touch 4 things you can feel. 3. Listen to 3 things you can hear. 4. Smell 2 things, or imagine 2 smells. 5. Think of 1 thing you can taste, or imagine a favorite taste. This exercise effectively pulls your focus away from racing thoughts and back to the present, helping calm your mind. 4. Mindful walking for stress release. Mindful walking combines movement with mindfulness, perfect for those who struggle with sitting meditations. This exercise encourages awareness of each step, helping to release tension and stress. 1. Find a quiet path or walking area. 2. Walk slowly, paying attention to each step. 3. Notice the feeling of your feet on the ground, the movement of your legs, and the sensation of air against your skin. 4. Avoid thinking about anything other than the act of walking. This exercise is ideal for a lunch break or a quick mental reset during the day. 5. Gratitude. Journaling to shift perspective. Practicing gratitude is a proven way to reduce stress by promoting a positive outlook. With gratitude journaling, you can shift focus away from stressors and toward what's going well. 1. Set aside a few minutes daily to write down 3 things you're grateful for. 2. Reflect on each item and why it matters to you. 3. Consider specific details about each entry to deepen your sense of appreciation. Over time, gratitude journaling can reduce anxiety, improve mood, and help cultivate a more positive mindset, contributing to overall stress relief. 6. Visualization for stress management. Visualization exercises involve creating mental images of calming scenarios, helping you feel relaxed and at ease. 1. Sit or lie down comfortably. 2. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. 3. Imagine a peaceful place, like a beach or a forest. 4. Engage all your senses. Think of the sounds, smells, and feelings associated with this place. Visualization gives your mind a quick vacation, offering a short escape from stress and helping to reset your emotions. 7. Loving kindness. Meditation for inner peace. Loving kindness meditation fosters compassion and kindness toward yourself and others, which helps relieve stress and promotes emotional well-being. 1. Sit quietly and close your eyes. 2. Take a few deep breaths and repeat phrases like, "May I be happy," "May I be well." 3. Gradually extend these thoughts to others in your life, silently wishing them well. This exercise helps reduce feelings of anger, stress, and frustration by replacing them with compassion and understanding. 8. Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR. PMR involves tensing and then relaxing each muscle group, helping to release physical stress. Here's a quick guide. 1. Sit or lie down comfortably. 2. Start with your toes, tensing them for a count of 5, then releasing. 3. Move up through each muscle group, from feet to face. 4. Focus on the feeling of relaxation that follows each release. This exercise is ideal before bed to fully relax and unwind. Tips for building a daily mindfulness routine for lasting stress relief. To fully experience the benefits of mindfulness, consistency is key. Start small, dedicating just 5 minutes each day. Use reminders such as phone alarms or apps to help you stay on track. Over time, mindfulness will become second nature, allowing you to respond to life's challenges with calm and clarity. Frequently asked questions about mindfulness for stress relief. How quickly can mindfulness relieve stress? While some exercises, like deep breathing, can provide immediate relief, the full benefits of mindfulness are typically felt with regular practice over weeks or months. Is mindfulness effective for everyone? Mindfulness is effective for most people, but everyone's journey is unique. Experiment with different exercises to find what works best for you. Can mindfulness help with chronic stress? Yes, mindfulness is often recommended for managing chronic stress, as it helps build resilience and a positive outlook over time. Conclusion. Start your mindfulness journey for stress-free living. Mindfulness is a versatile and accessible tool for stress relief that can be practiced anytime, anywhere. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you can achieve greater peace, clarity, and resilience. Give yourself time to explore each one, and soon you'll find the practices that bring you the most relief. Share your experiences or favorite exercises in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on the path to stress-free living.